nobody like me before though.
I feel like a child again. I'm like 10 years old. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I did my makeup like Harley Quinn. And because my shirt and my pants that I wore isn't exactly the exact same outfit as Harley Quinn wore in the Suicide Squad or the original Harley Quinn in the comic books, so I kind of call this the Visco girl Harley Quinn because I'm cliche like that. It's 2019. I'm so relatable. Not really. I think I did pretty well, but I mean Harley Quinn's really hard to miss because I mean as long as you do one eye blue and one eye red, pink, red, then you're pretty much set to go. So can't speak. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Boop. So I first put on blue contacts and these made my eyes again look humongous, and I actually really like this color because it was like this kind of grayish blue. I wore the shirt that says love and hate, my parents got it for me. It was basically their version of a souvenir from Thailand because I asked for it. This time I decided to be smart and put on a headband so my hair doesn't get in the way. Started by priming my eyelids as usual. Taking my Anastasia palette, I basically took this really light brown shade and then I used it as a shade for the crease. Then taking a slightly darker shade, I added it into the crease again and I didn't push it up as much. Continued to build up the color by taking this darker shade, which I didn't expect to be that dark by my face. And then I basically tried to concentrate it exactly on the crease, and then I blended it out with a blending brush so it wouldn't be as harsh. Taking this Colourpop eyeshadow, I basically put it all over my lids. Achoo! And then I blended it out again. Taking a lighter shade, I put it on the highlight of my eye, so right in the center, just to give my eye more dimension. And this time I placed my camera in a location where you can kind of see me better, I think. And then I basically just drew on my eyeliner. I definitely drew it on more thicker than I normally do because of the colors I was using on my eye wasn't as bright. I also dragged it out a bit onto my lower lashes because we wanted to get that cartoon effect. And when I say we, I'm talking about me and my hand. And taking this little cute eyelash curler, I curled my lashes and then I put on mascara. And then I clapped because now it's for the fun part. I wasn't sure which shade was on which eye, so then I had to double check on my phone. Basically used the brush that came with the Anastasia palette and then I just put it all over my lower lids and I kind of got some in my eye. And I just tried to concentrate it near where your tears would fall. Like, you know how in comics books you see where their tears are being drawn? Like, it's on the like edge of the eyes. I kind of just focused it there. I'm not sure if that makes any sense. And then I got a message from someone asking what I was doing, so I had to take a selfie and explain what I was doing. I basically did the exact same thing but in blue. And the thing that I like about Harley Quinn as a makeup look is that because her whole character is very messy and very crazy, the makeup doesn't have to be perfect, so you can literally go crazy with the colors. Taking a flatter brush, I packed on more of the color because I wanted it to be more vibrant. She was thrown into a chemical waste basket thing in the movie. I basically lined my underline and I kind of tried to connect it to my eyeliner. And I used my Glossier concealer to cover my underbags and to make the eyeshadow look more blended because I didn't want it to be very blocky. And then I took my highlighting shade again and I just put it all over my lower lid, and this was to make my eyes look bigger. I also put some in the corner of my eye. Time for false lashes, and honestly I don't think they made much of a difference because they were very natural looking eyelashes. And I filled in my brows. I did them much thicker than I normally would because again this look is kind of a very cartoon effect. It made sense to make everything look unnatural and bold. I took a white shade and I put it on my brow bone. Very bright color, so I do want there to be still some dimension. And then I continued to finish off my makeup. I went in with a bit of contour just to make myself look prettier. Duh. And of course we have to go in with highlighter because that's what all the beauty gurus do, apparently. I'm just bandwagoning. And then I put the little heart that Harley Quinn has on her right eye. And then I used this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. And then I added a bit of Fenty's Mattemoiselle right in the middle. And now, time for the hair, which I struggled with a lot because no one does pigtails anymore. I mean, if you do pigtails, I'm sure you look adorable. But for me, if I go out with pigtails, people might look at me a little weird. I was also only looking through the camera on the camera, the viewfinder. And so the screen was really small. And I wasn't exactly sure if I got all the pieces of my hair. And then I tried to curl my hair, which I am not good at curling my hair. I don't know how to curl my hair. But it worked in my favor this time because Harley Quinn's hair is messy. Because, you know, she's like running around and stuff. I added these two little ribbons to give it a more cutesy and teenage visco-ish vibe. And then I also put on this seashell bracelet because I'm a visco girl, right? I don't know. But anyways, that is the finished look. I haven't done pigtails in ages, since I was like 10. I nearly forgot how to do them. I actually left like a strand of hair just lying there. I spent an hour and a half, and I also matched my phone case for some reason, like pink and blue. This is a fun look because I really love Harley Quinn. She's also really cool, but what is on my camera? It's a tripod. What was I saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then come back next week because I'll have a... Oh, that's very loud. Because I'll be uploading videos every single week. At least I try to. I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye! Look at my pigtails. I feel like a child again. I'm like 10 years old. And if I do this, it's like a unicorn horn. Don't let me go.